Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Take 2. Today in this video I'm going to show you guys how you can play music on your Zoom. So I'll be teaching you a very easy step regarding this one, and if you have any problem or any queries within the process, just let me know in the comment section right away. Now without any further delay, let's just get started. So firstly, what you need to do is you need to go to your Zoom app and then log in with your account. Once you do that, you'll be in the platform where you can join a meeting. Just join a meeting and you'll be over here in this particular platform. Now, from here, what you need to do is just go all the way down to this menus option. There are a lot of menus. You have to choose the apps option. Just go over here, and on your right hand side you'll be having a lot of options. Let's go with music, and then now you can choose any music from here. So let me just go with this music, just play it, and it will start playing the music. You can allow if you want to allow, or you can disallow, or let's say don't allow. So that's pretty much, guys, that's how you do it. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So thank you for watching our video, guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel, and also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. If you have any queries, just let me know in the comment section right away, and I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe, guys. Thank you for watching.